Hey, it's Michael, and I am going to take a look and unbox the brand new Greenworks blower. This is 800 CFM. I didn't even know they made 800 CFM. I went to the Greenworks website and it wasn't on there. Only at Costco right now can you get this. And I'm telling you, this thing looks fantastic. So let me unbox it and I'm going to show you how it works. And honestly, guys, there's no reason a leaf blower review needs to be more than 15 minutes long, so it'll be far less than that. Let's take a look at, see what's inside here. All right, here's all the quick start guides, manual, warranty information. This is the additional thing that you get. It's a flat attachment. You don't get this normally, but this is a Costco edition that you get for buying it at Costco. Here we have the charger. Now, I already have a Greenworks electric mower, so I already have a charger, but now I have two chargers. And then this is the 2.5 amp hour battery. And I already have these too as well, so this isn't going to be fully charged. Yeah, it only has one bar, but this is the battery I use in my mower, and it's fully charged, so we'll be ready to demonstrate this momentarily. This is the extension tube, and this is the concentrator tip for that. And that is just going to attach like this. Make sure it's clicked on firmly. And then here we go. This is the shoulder strap, and then this is the actual blower motor unit. Now I have a DeWalt cordless leaf blower right now, and I'll get that and show it to you in a second here, but what drives me absolutely crazy is the intake is right in the back. So if I have any loose clothing on, it always gets sucked right into the intake. So I'm really happy to see that the intake here is on the bottom and the top, and this is where the battery is going to fit in back here, so I can get this battery and put it in. Now, to undo the battery, there's just a little button here that you would push in and pull the battery out. Otherwise, you just slap that battery in there and it's in there nice and secure. We have a trigger here, variable speed. And then this will lock it into a speed that you want. That way you don't have to hold the trigger. And then the turbo button is up here, and this is just a momentary button. And then we have a attachment point here for the shoulder strap. And there we have it, fully assembled, ready to go. What did that take, about 3 minutes max? All right, so let's go find some leaves. I'm also going to bring out my DeWalt out here so we can take a look at that one as well. All right, here's my DeWalt. This is the DCPL722 blower, 20 volt, much smaller battery, 7 amp hours, but this weighs only about 6 pounds. This is very lightweight. This is more like 10 pounds, so this definitely has more heft to it. The battery probably adds most of that extra weight, but in any case, this is definitely a little heavier. Now, this one is balanced pretty well, so it's basically horizontal to the ground. This is definitely tipping forward. Now, that's actually probably where you want it to tip because you're going to be blowing leaves or grass clippings or whatever, but there's that shoulder strap, so that's going to take that weight off of your arm, and that'll let you really easily maneuver this. Speaking of the shoulder strap, here it is right here. It's pretty robust. It has a pretty nice solid clip on it, and it's very nicely padded, and it has this stretchy cord on it. So you can adjust the length of it. Has a Velcro adjustment here to shorten that if you need it, and otherwise it's got actually Velcro on both sides. And so let me just clip this on. And there we have it. Very easy. And I can tell you just from this brief blowing off the leaves on the porch here, this thing has a lot more power than the DeWalt, but of course it should. It's heavier, bigger battery, and the 800 CFM versus, I'm not even sure what that is. I want to say it's like 300 or something. Honestly, this thing is a beast. Plus, it looks like a Lamborghini compared to my DeWalt. Very happy, very, very happy with this Greenworks 800 CFM leaf blower. Right now, only available at Costco. Don't know if that's going to change, but that's where I got mine today. Highly recommend it. So much more powerful than my previous DeWalt leaf blower. Of course, it costs quite a bit more, but in my opinion, it is definitely worth it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll try to answer if I can. Have a great day.